Frustrated with Adobe Creative Cloud but unsure how to ditch it? Let's dive in and learn the correct way to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. This is more than just dragging the app to the trash. We want a clean sweep. First, we're heading into your system settings. Locate the Apps or Applications section. Depending on your operating system, this is where you'll manage all installed programs in Windows. Use Settings and then Apps and Features on macOS. Open Finder. Go to Applications. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on it now. Click the Uninstall button. This action starts the uninstallation process. This will bring up the Adobe Creative Cloud uninstaller. Pay close attention to the options here. If you want a clean removal, choose Remove All Apps. This makes sure that any applications that are downloaded using Adobe Creative Cloud are also removed. You may be asked to confirm. Click Yes or Uninstall to proceed. The uninstaller will now begin removing the Creative Cloud app and all associated programs. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the uninstallation is complete, you're usually prompted to restart your computer. And you can choose to restart later. Adobe Creative Cloud is now removed. Finally, double-check that Adobe Creative Cloud and its apps have vanished from your system. You might notice more available disk space. Now you can install new software.